Hello everyone, I hope you had a great expiry. Welcome to the one more learning video of this post market analysis series. Okay, first of all, let us look at what happened today in the market and what were the possible trades that you could have taken and what would be the exact entry, exit, and the stop loss, right? Let us discuss one by one. Now, first things first, yesterday we were talking about this trend line being tested multiple times, and I told that if the market opens gap down tomorrow, what we are going to do, we are going to short the market only and only if we get a continuation pattern, right? Else I am not interested. That is what I told, and you see what happened. Market opened gap down, and you see I was telling about the first 5 minutes candle, that the first 5 minutes candle will usually tell you the probability of the movement that is to come in the entire day, or at least for the first session of the day, that is for at least first 30-40 minutes of the day. And you see what market did here was a hammer and then a straight 180 points move, right? This was a clear cut indication that market is having still that inherent strength is still there in the market, where it is the dips are still getting bought. But observe one thing, all these days, right? All these days, what was happening in the market? Market was opening gap down and then it was continuing on the upside, right? Huge gap down and then a straight up move, huge gap down and then a straight up move. Market was not ready to fall. You see this huge gap up, gap down and upside, right? Now this is for the first time what we are seeing, that market was not reversing after the filling the gap. Now you see what is happening from past 2-3 sessions. Market is actually respecting the gap areas. Do you see? Market opened gap down, went up, came down. It is showing some sort of exhaustion in the buying power, right? Do you understand this? See here, market opened gap down. What happened here? Opened gap down, tried to go up, immediate rejection from the top. Do you see? People are not having so much strength now. Yes, they are still buying the dips, but still sellers are also strong in the market right now, right? They are not like what was happening till previous week. That is not the situation now. Even sellers are active, though the buyers are trying to take the market up, but sellers are coming back in the game. Are you understanding this? Now there was one image that I had shared. Okay, let us look at this. This is the same cup and handle pattern again, which was shared in the Telegram group in the live market. What was that? This was the picture that was shared, that if the day low gets broken right after retest, we can see a good fall. Now let us see what happened in the market there and how this judgment came. Now it is not important what has happened. How did I come to know about it? How you could have traded that, right? You understand this? This was the previous support where the market tested this, right? Opened gap down. Market should have, if at all market was strong, it would have continued on the top side. But what is happening? Do you see that market is never able to break the previous swing? It is continuously forming the lower highs. What did the market do here? Again a lower high. Market is in a downtrend. Market is in a downtrend. And what happens in a downtrend? A support or resistance will be respected only once, max. What happened? What was the form again? This was again like a cup and handle. But are we going to take the trade directly? No. Why? Because day low was an important support. Market has jumped once from the day low. There were high probability that market could have again jumped like this, right? So this was not the area to enter, because the movement is coming from the top. Understand this, the movement is coming from the top, and I don't like the movement to be happening already, right? When I enter the trade, it is at that moment when the market should start to move. The movement has already happened here. So what we do here, we actually wait for the retest, and this would have been a perfect entry, and this as the SL, and you could have easily trailed the target, right? What was another trade? What was another trade? Look at this. Why I say that you should never chase a parabolic move breakdown at the support, because a support or a resistance will be very powerful when it is being tested for the first time. look at this. This was a strong support from where the market went up. Now when the market is coming back to that zone again, and you see the momentum today has started from here, market has already fallen so much. Now when this level is getting broken, the people who are entering the market at this level, right, 40,500 level breakdown, all these are idiots. Let me tell you why. Right, see this. Usually on expiry days, what happens? Usually on expiry days, why does the market reverse? You must understand this. In the morning, people might have shorted these levels. These levels were at 150 or 180 rupees, let us see. When the market fell down, these option prices might be trading at 20-30 rupees when the price went till this level. Okay, now this is a strong support also. The market is expected to jump from this level, right? And the CE side option prices have almost become zero. 80 to 90% of the decay has come. Now what will people who are holding the CE positions, how much money will they get? They will hardly get another 20 rupees to it. But on the other side, this 40,300 PE, right, when the market started to fall down, this might have increased and it might have gone up to 180 rupees now, because this is in the money, or it might be trading at 150 now. Now don't you think, and what is the time? Time is still around 12:50. Okay, still there is 3 more hours. What are these people going to do? Do you think all these big players are going to just sit quietly and they are going to watch Netflix or what? This is not happening, right? They will start to book their CE side positions. They will start to short PE. Now they will exit the CE. Sellers of CE will start to exit by hitting the buy button of CE. Now this will create a buying pressure. And they will start to short PE, which is a sign of bullishness. That is why on most of the days, market actually reverses in the second half on the expiries. That is how we get the jackpot trades, 0 to hero trades. Now all the CE positions, right, people who had short here at 180 rupees. Suppose say people had short 40,900 CE. Market had fallen down, so 40,900 became 20-30 rupees. Now suddenly when they might be trailing their stop losses also. Suddenly when the market reverses, what happens? Suddenly when the market reverses, what happens? They will start to exit the positions. Their trailing stop losses will start to get hit. That is why market will give a sudden rally. Now this is the logic behind 0 to hero trades. I'll show you the 0 to hero trade that I have taken today. Okay, see this one. On the exactly the same logic, on every expiry you get a 0 to hero trade for sure. Wait, just 1 second. Okay, look at this. What is the 0 to hero trade I have taken? 40,900 CE. I entered in 40,900 CE. Time was 1 o'clock. And what did 40,900 CE do? 40,900 CE went up from 25 rupees to 106 rupees. That is 327%. Right? 327% move. We captured around 150% move. Understand this. What was the logic? I hope you have understood, right? Because people will start to shift their positions. They will start to change their position, these big players. That is the reason why most of the expiries market will reverse in the second half. And also there is technical reason also, right? Market has already given enough movement, man. Don't you think a retracement is possible? Does the market always fall in a straight line? No, right? Even on the non-expiry days also it is giving a movement and then it is coming down, right? So a reversal was on the cards. Now let us understand what is happening in the market on a larger time frame. Okay, the plan for tomorrow and plan for the upcoming week. What are you seeing here? I am seeing a sort of completely a sideways move from this date. What was this date? This was on 14th September. From 14th September till 22nd September, almost 2 weeks, the market is trading between in the range of this huge big candle. Market went up, came down, again went up, it is again coming down. Now if at all the market can break this level, right, if the market can break this level, we are going to see a fall of good 1000 points, minimum 1000 points for sure. If this level gets broken, I think we are going to see a fall till here at least. 600 points is the first target. We might see a fall of 1000 points also till 39,300 level. Now how are you going to take the trade? is the question. Today's low is a very important point, right? If today's low gets broken, because this is a strong support, right? We want the market, if the market opens gap down tomorrow, right, there are chances that maybe market will again move up, because this has been that kind of market. But suppose if tomorrow market opens gap down and then it doesn't show a bullish sign, if it starts to fall, what you should do, you should look for one retracement, right? A red candle and then a green candle, and then if you again get a red candle, right, this is like a N pattern, and you can short the market there. I think we are going to get a nice fall on the upper side. On the upper side, what is the plan? This is the plan for the lower side. On the upper side, see, this is the nearest retracement. This is the nearest retracement, right? Many people would have short the market today, okay? Now, if the market opens slight gap up and then if it breaks this level, right? If it breaks this level, all the people who have short the market here, right? They will start to cover their positions. Short covering will come, market is going to move up. Maybe this can be your first target, 41,400, 300 levels, and then this can be the second target. Market might again reverse in the second half. So this is the plan. So if you cannot trade the first half, try to look for a reversal opportunities in the second half. In the case of a bullish side move, if till the market opens gap down and if it starts to fall down, right, take the morning trade itself, because you are going to get, whenever the fall comes very fast, because market has been doing time pass for many days. And you see today's low is very much nearer to the 14th September low. So all these people who have made enough money, right, all these buyers, they will all start to exit, because they will start to make the loss. Once the market comes below this, right, they will panic. They will definitely panic. Market is going to fall down, okay? So this is the plan for tomorrow, very simple one. If you have liked the video, let me know in the comment box, right? And if you have any doubts, please ask them in the comment section itself. Have a safe day tomorrow. Simple day. Do not miss the trading for tomorrow, okay? If the market falls tomorrow, it is going to fall on Monday as well, because Friday's fall are usually carried by the fall on Monday as well. I hope you have a good day tomorrow. Thank you.